Imagine waking up every single day making hundreds of dollars, $500, even $1,000 plus, trading meme coins. Right now is the absolute best time to be trading meme coins as there's so much demand. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can take advantage of meme coins in 2024 using some very specific strategies. I'm going to be going over everything with you from start to finish, so make sure you're watching until the end of the video. If you enjoy, make sure to smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the notification bell. To be trading these Solana meme coins, I'm going to be using TradeWiz bot on Telegram. It's a trading bot where you can actually buy and sell. You can set up copy trades. You can even check into wallets and specific tokens, set up limit orders and auto sells. Going to be going over exactly how I use this bot to trade meme coins and make very consistent gains. I'll leave the link in this video description and pinned comment as they're giving you extra rewards for using my link and a massive discount in trading fees. The #1 website for finding these meme coins still is Dexscreener. Right here, we begin by going over onto Solana and make sure we have all decentralized exchanges selected. I will be going over a little bit later on in the video some specific custom filters that we can use to actually find some really top trending meme coins. But before I get to that, I do have something else to show you. So the absolute first thing that we can focus on here is the actual charting aspect. So right here, we do have the full charting view that we can actually change. Obviously have all of the different time frames that you can select. I really like beginning on something like the daily time frame, especially for these larger cap coins like Dog with Hat that's been around for quite a while. I can really capture the entire price action. But not only that, I can come here to the top and click on FX. You can see that stands for indicators and strategies. I actually come over here and type in EMA. This stands for moving average exponential. I've already added it to my chart. You can see it's this orange line right here. You want to make sure that you've actually double clicked on the line and you've selected the length to actually be 20. This means that it's taking the last 20 bars and actually displaying it as an average price. You can even change the color and the overall thickness of the line. Right here, I like to show you the overall display. So what we like to do is obviously trade in the direction of the overall trend. One of the biggest trend timeframes is really the weekly. You could scroll out and you just make sure the overall trend, if we have a positive slope on the EMA, such as what we do now, you actually look to only buy. If we have a negative slope in this direction to the downside, we only look to sell. So it's really quickly and easily come over to the weekly, instantly know that you only want to be looking to buy. And then basically you do have a lot of buying opportunities when we are below this exponential moving average, because what this exponential moving average is actually displaying is the overall average price right now. And so one thing that we can do is understand that if this is the overall average price, when price is well below the average and we have on the weekly time frame a clear and strong uptrend, this means that this would be one of the best opportunities to actually buy and actually look to not only retest the moving average. You can see right now we're actually having a rejection at this moving average, because once we're coming back, we're now at the average price. We've reached the average price. We're no longer overbought or oversold. Down here, we're clearly oversold at this $1 range. And you can see we basically made nearly a 90% push to the upside really, really quickly, because we were well below the average price. 80% push to the upside. And as I just showed you on the long-term time frame, we actually still have a lot of positive momentum, telling us that if we are on a shorter term time frame like the daily or even the 4-hourly is a really fantastic chart to be trading, such as down here in these areas. You can see overall when we are below the EMA on these shorter term time frames, the daily being the best, it does give us some buying opportunities. So you can really use the exponential moving average to truly determine which are the best trending coins to be finding, scrolling out to those longer term time frames, finding those perfect buy zones, and then looking to enter. So you can see, yeah, I actually do have the indicators and strategies. I'll go over some different indicators, but the exponential moving average is the #1 indicator. We can also change this over to market cap, which is very, very important. Changing it over to market cap really negates having to understand, as you can see right here, the overall price in Sol. To buy one token, this is the price in Sol. So rather than having to understand where you're actually buying at 0.01175, well, what's the number if you were to double in price? It's really hard to just instantly know. Obviously, it's 22 point something, so it'd be close to 23. But a lot of people can't instantly calculate that. So what you can do is change this over to market cap right here. If you were to buy right here, which is a $1 billion market cap, and then you were to sell here at a $2 billion market cap, how much would you make? So you're buying down here for one Sol. You buy one Sol at a $1 billion market cap. When it comes up to a $2 billion market cap, you now have 2 Solana. So you've basically doubled your money on that. You now own 2 Solana. And that's really the goal, is to be consistently basically doubling your money, because it doesn't even matter how much you start with. You can start with $20,000, $50,000 and double that to 100,000. You can even start with 100, double it to 200, then bring that stack in for the next day, double the 2 to 4, bring the stack in the next day 4 to 8. Being very consistent and obviously managing your risk, which is something that I do teach in my Memecoin mastery. Again, check it out in this video description. So absolutely fantastic way using the market cap. We also have some other chart settings. So if you did want to actually change the overall candles, the colors, status lines, you can come in here and actually make some specific changes. Right on the left, you can get the high and the low, you can get the indicator's name, all these types of things. You can even just overall customize it. Even with this gradient, I like to make it black. It's a little bit easier to see right there, and you can see the red and the green candlesticks a little bit easier. So just change that back over to USD and looking at it in market cap. Then on this right hand side, obviously you're getting the overall token. It's even telling you which decentralized exchange it's on, Radium. Right here you get the website, the Twitter, the Telegram. You obviously get the price in USD, the price in Sol. Also the current liquidity, which is locked right here. This little locked liquidity is what you really need to see. Overall, you can see fully diluted market cap. But really, the market cap right here is the #1 number you want to be looking at. All these other things like price, really, you just want to be looking at market cap. You want to be understanding what the current market cap is, $1.86 billion. Obviously, for the price to double, the market cap needs to also double. So focusing on the market cap is truly the most important. Then you get all the other information like the 5-minute, 1 hour, 6 hour, 24-hour movements. You can even see in the last 24 hours of overall transactions, 5,600 transactions, overall volume, overall makers, so unique wallets that bought or sold, the total buyers versus the sells, buy volume versus the sell volume, and the total number of transactions that were overall a buy versus the overall transactions that were overall sells. You can add it to your watch list. So you can actually, on this left-hand side, you actually have a watch list where you can have all your different coins that you're watching. You can have coins from your top high market cap coins and then slowly move down. As I'll be showing you in a minute, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can find some of the top trending coins using some filters in Dexscreener. And then you can simply just add them to your watch list and watch your watch list, and even add it to your multi-charts and have your entire watch list, basically 8 charts on your screen on multi-charts. Makes it really, really easy to actually follow along and find which meme coins you want to be trading. So don't go anywhere. I'll be showing you just that in a minute. Plus, you can track all of the transactions coming through. You can even see all of the top traders. So we can see going by bought, sold, total profit and loss, traders that are up. You can see so these traders taken 400 buy transactions, over 400 sell transactions, made over $4.7 million. I've shown you in many videos how you can actually grab this wallet, go onto TradeWiz bot on Solana, use this smart wallet, and actually go over his wallet to see how much profit has he made. We can see locate smart money for a specific token, or we can go right here and actually go down and go address. And then I can come over to here, grab his wallet address, copy it right here, bring it back over to TradeWiz, paste it in here, and it's going to tell me exactly how much money he's made. It's going to show me all the specifics for his wallet. Absolutely fantastic. Even here, you can see has unusually high trading volume, seems to be a bot. So TradeWiz bot has actually told me this is not a suitable copy trading target. So absolutely fantastic. It even tells you targets that it doesn't believe and doesn't actually fit the specific criteria. So how I can then use that longer term strategy, there's two ways that I can do it. There is the filter way, which again, I will show you in a minute. There is another way that I just like to filter for the last 24 hours, basically the latest pairs that are really coming out. Even go over the last 6 hours and see what's actually trending. We can see that there are some coins up 2,600, 400%, 300%, 200%, 200%. Let's open up just a couple of these coins and use some of the technical analysis that I've shown you to see, is there any current opportunities? If there is or there isn't, and then I'll even show you how to use the filters. You can see going to the daily time frame here for these shorter term coins, you're not going to be able to do that because they only literally just launched today. You have to move down to these shorter term time frames, always making sure you're on the current market cap, seeing the current market cap currently $84,000. Really, you want to be looking for those current stair steps to the upside, even adding the EMA to your chart, making sure that you are seeing those continuous stair steps to the upside. Right now, we want to be looking for higher highs where coins are continuously making higher highs to the upside, actually breaking above. Right here, we're seeing rejections at the $1 million market caps. You really want to be seeing these coins consistent higher highs. So even right here would actually be a little bit more consistent. If we added the EMA to this chart, it would actually be using this exponential moving average as a springboard to the upside. Very nice consistent movement right here. We then came back below the overall average price. You can see people are buying, as I was talking about with my strategy. People are looking to buy once the average price has been broken below. The reason being is because we still do have a really strong trend. If you scroll out, you can see we had a really nice and consistent trend that basically for many hours, we had a strong push to the upside. It wasn't just a 1 hour push, because 4 bars right here actually signifies an hour. So we had 2 hours. We actually had 3 hours of really strong movement to the upside, which gives us a little bit higher probability. So as you scroll out, you see actually looking to buy below the moving average when price is actually being below the average price. You can see at around that $400,000 market cap would have been an absolutely fantastic buy because we're below the average price. Even you can look to sell when we come back to the average price. That would have been a 25% gain. But even if you're able to actually manage to hold, and with this coin, it does make a little bit more sense that we could have another re-push into this $1 million zone. You're buying at this $400,000 zone, looking to sell at that $800,000 to $900,000 zone. That's exactly how I'm showing you. You can turn 100 into 2, 2 to 4, 500 into 1,000, and then you continuously look for these high probability plays. As I showed you, there was a couple of charts that I opened up. The overall plays do look okay, but they're just not as high probability. And even this one actually having a really strong movement to the downside, basically in the last 30 minutes down over 70%. You want to be seeing these types of coins that have more consistent movement. Then you can also go over here and make sure that the liquidity is locked. I've shown you many other videos how you can use websites like RugCheck to actually go over specific coins, make sure that you won't be rugged. But I've gone over that in so many different videos, so make sure to check that out on my channel. So this would definitely, again, be a particular coin that I'm interested in. Coming down, even looking at even more coins. This one, even though it does have that similar movement, this does look like more of a scam coin. When you see coins actually moving straight up and having no absolute down or up movement, you can see absolute no wicks to the downside, just continuous upside momentum. Whereas this one, when we saw, you can see it's having wicks to the upside, it's moving down, it's trying to move up, it's having a little bit of rough time, trying to move up, trying to move down. It makes sense because as the price is going up, people are getting excited, they're up 500%, 1,000%, and they're getting out of their positions. But a lot of other people actually demanded this coin and were able to push it up. Whereas these types of coins instantly know that it is a scam. And with my experience doing this for so long, I do understand that this is a scam coin. So we can continuously go through, like I just showed you, I do this each and every day. I actually do this multiple times every day. Go to the last 2 hours, 4 hours, 1 hour, and go through all the coins that are launched, find the ones that are really trending, then find the ones that set up with my particular technical analysis strategy. Not all the coins are going to set up with my particular technical analysis strategy, but when they do, that's when I actually go in and I actually begin taking the trade. Even with this one looking like the 1 minute time frame making a strong push, but I would like to wait just a little bit longer, confirm that the 5 minute does make a new higher high. That's when I'll actually begin to look to enter. You can see the EMA trending higher. We did actually go below this EMA, but I want to confirm that the trend is still pushing to the upside. We've had one strong push down, two strong pushes and down. I just want to see this third confirmation, because then that would mean if we break above this 270,000 market cap, we have a really strong chance to actually push to the 500. And again, if we break above that 250 zone, push to 500, bam, that's how I've made my $500, my $1,000, my $5,000 for the day. And I can consistently do that back to back to back, putting the right risk to reward on each and every trade, and using this meme coin demand to take advantage of this market and make the profits for myself. Don't forget to check out my Memecoin Mastery and Advanced Technical Analysis Masterclass. In my Memecoin Mastery, I teach you everything you need directly on my website. You can watch my entire course from start to finish, how to take advantage of meme coins, all of my different technical analysis strategies, all the websites I use, all the different bots that I use, all of my optimal trading strategies available right here. And if you wanted a deep dive even further, I do have my technical analysis masterclass that's more than 10 hours of pure technical analysis that can actually be used in meme coins to take advantage of the market. The next way that I like to find top trending meme coins right now that I can then begin adding some technical analysis skills to actually find these top coins, I actually begin by heading over to this top right section in Dexscreener on filters. Once I'm here, again, want to make sure you are on Solana. We will select all decentralized exchanges on Solana, and you do have a lot of different options right here. You can even go by 5 minute volume. A lot of the time I do like to go by 5 minute volume. Minimum something like $50,000 would be an absolutely fantastic way to actually look at coins that are making big pushes to the upside, because you can look at this market cap level and you can see, for instance, if the market cap is $80,000 and it's been able to do $50,000 worth of transaction volume in the last 5 minutes, this could definitely be a coin that I'm interested in. So I begin to open up this coin and then begin to make my analysis. So again, $82,000 market cap, that would mean, you can see right here, this token is mintable and this token is freezable. So right here, it means that it's basically a scam coin. And if you do get in, it means that this token is mintable, meaning more tokens can be minted into the market and then just automatically sold. And token is freezable, basically meaning he can freeze your wallet. So if you actually buy some tokens, your wallet can be frozen and then you'll never have the opportunity to sell. So you do want to be careful. But again, I teach you how to make sure not to get scammed on all of these coins. It's very, very easy. This one I will look at. Market cap 200,000. If it's done $50,000 of volume in the last 5 minutes, that would be very, very good. We can see the liquidity is locked. First thing that I would do is chuck this into rug check to make sure it's overall safe contract and I'm not going to be scammed. It doesn't have anything popping up instantly here, but you do want to make sure and do those double checks. Right here, we are making those nice stair steps to the upside. So you can see, made a push, came down, made a push, came down, made a push, came down. Really, if I did want to enter, I'd probably look to enter in this box right here, because this is a bit of an initial resistance zone and it will act as support if price does come back. You can see we are having a bit of a rejection. Plus, we can also add this EMA to our chart. You can see how perfect it is on the 1 minute chart. We're now actually using this EMA. Only want to be trading in the direction of the slope. Slope is clearly to the upside, so we can trade in the direction to the upside, but we do want to be waiting for either these zones to be retested or to be coming below this exponential moving average, because if we were to come below the exponential moving average, it would mean we're finally being able to buy at a good price. Because right now, if you were to measure the average price right here versus where the current price is, we're currently 80% above the average price. The average price is where the orange line is, and the current price is all the way up here. We're over 80% above the average price. So rather than buying 80% above the average price and paying way above average, you wait for it to come back. You get this retest in not only this support to resistance zone, but also in this exponential moving average zone. So you line up and actually have confluence with two different strategies, giving you even higher probability in the market. You take advantage of that and you begin actually trading these meme coins when the right setup has come. So if I wanted to take a trade right here, I would copy this contract address on this right hand side. I'd then come over to Telegram. I would then click on menu, click on start. And if I just simply wanted to actually buy in, I could click on buy right here. And then I would just simply put in the particular token, put in buy. And with TradeWiz bot on Solana, it'd be really, really easy to buy. You can see I'd buy in. I can even buy in for 2 SOL, 5 SOL, X amount of SOL right now. To be easy, it's showing me the liquidity pool. It's showing me the current market cap, how much SOL I currently have as a balance. Renounced. So token has been renounced and it has been burnt. So it's even showing me right here that it's safe on those two fronts. It's on Radium and I can click right here to actually view the chart on Dexscreener. Super, super easy to actually get in. You can even click smart money for this particular token. So you could find all the particular tokens, see these top addresses already up over 3,000% on this particular coin. You could go through this one and actually analyze, okay, this guy's up over 3,000%. Let's actually go through and see what coins he's been trading. You can see over the last 7 days, he's up $12,000. Over the last 30 days, let's see how much he's actually up. He is right now up $71,000. Okay, this is fantastic. I'm now going to spend some time and actually look, can I copy trade this person? Because he looks absolutely fantastic. I'm going to have to go through some of these transactions. Potentially might not be a great target, but he's buying in once, selling 4 times, buying in once, selling 4 times. I'm going to have to set up my specific trading strategy with my sells the right way to actually take advantage of this person. You can see how I can use TradeWiz bot, Dex tools, and my particular trading strategy all together to take advantage of this market. I do this each and every day. I'm teaching people every single day in my Telegram group, which you can join in this video description. I'm even offering one-on-one coaching just right now, so you can get in early at this current price. There is so much opportunity in meme coins. Truly don't wait and don't miss out. Right now is the best time to be learning about meme coins and taking full advantage. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure that you smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the notification bell to stay up to date with all of the latest YouTube videos, and I'll see you in the next video.